Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn networking script with Notion. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn networking script with Notion, start by opening your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your LinkedIn connections page. Scroll through your connections to see the profiles you want to back up. Highlight the relevant information you wish to save. Copy this information to your clipboard. Next, open Notion in a new browser tab or application. Create a new page in Notion specifically for your LinkedIn connections. Title this page appropriately for easy reference. In the new page, create a database to organize your contacts effectively. Add relevant properties to the database such as name, position, company, and notes. Paste the copied information into the appropriate fields in your Notion database. For each connection, make sure to fill in all relevant details for future reference. Consider adding tags or categories to better classify your connections. Organize your database view according to your preference. You might want to use a Kanban board or table layout for easier navigation. Once everything is populated, review your entries to ensure accuracy. Make sure you save your Notion page after editing. Regularly update this database as you expand your network on LinkedIn. This will keep your connections organized and accessible whenever you need them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.